Muling ipinagdiwang ng 18 magkasintahang pulis ang kanilang pagmamahalan, hindi lamang sa harap ng kanilang pamilya kundi pati na rin sa harap ng Diyos sa pamamagitan ng isang renewal of vows na ginanap noong Enero 22 taong kasalukuyan. Ang seremonya ay nagsilbing simbolo ng kanilang matatag na ugnayan at pagnanais na magpatuloy sa buhay na magkasama sa kabila ng mga hamon at pagsubok na dulot ng kanilang tungkulin bilang mga alagad ng batas.
Maybe we surpass the test of time because we have this commitment in the service and in our marriage.
Ito rin ay isang pagpapakita ng kanilang malasakit sa pamilya, dedikasyon sa serbisyo at pananampalataya sa Diyos.
Importante talaga yung time management. Kaming dalawa is busy talaga sa aming mga trabaho pero minamanage namin yung aming oras na meron pa rin communication.
Naging posible naman ang inisyatiba na ito sa pangunguna ng may bahay ni PNP Chief Romel Francisco Marbil na si Mrs. Mary Rose P. Marbil.
Okay, so we are here today. We just witnessed the renewal of the vows of 18 couples here in Pro 11. And you know, I think it's very timely that we're here because we were here for our Love Virus activity. And timely na nag-renew sila, and I'm glad that they did decide to renew kasi it's very important. As I said in my message, you know, my husband and I, you know, I feel like we renew each and every day. You know, you say I love you to each other every morning, every night, and I think it's the same. Baka nakakalimutan ng mga ibang tao na we have to be reminded, we have to say it, and we have to commit ourselves all the time. So this renewal is very, very important. According to Father, it's important to renew because we have to be able to commit again. Although walang expiry naman ng kasal, di ba? But we need to commit to our partner and assure them that we are there for each other.
Sa kanyang gabay, ang seremonya ay nagbigay diin hindi lamang sa kahalagahan ng pamilya, kundi pati na rin sa espiritual na aspeto ng mga magkasintahan.
Mula dito sa Police Regional Office 11, ako ang inyong PNN Correspondent, Patrolwoman Daphne Pasaol, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng balitang pulis.